Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer, stock number 5876. This ran from 07-2007 to 12-2017. It has a 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic 6-speed front wheel drive transmission. Here we have the 4B12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front guard, no dents. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 2 dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, 2 dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front door trim. Master switch with mirror controls. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory 6-stack CD player. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory steering wheel, instrument cluster,